go slowly. See, fast এতে 6 মেরে দিলে একটা আলাদা জিনিস, হ্যাঁ। আটকে গেলে মিস হয়ে গেলে বলটা, you understand, হ্যাঁ। Got to wait for the proper ball to come. Checked, get your juniors checked also. Download. I have got no issues, sir. If there is a case made out, it's not that High Court is powerless, will not direct a FIR registration.
Sir, there are
But
hundreds of orders.
but if there is nothing, then it is very difficult as a court of law to grant that. That I will not do, sir.
Well, and one more thing.
Because you have relied upon that in your affidavit. Had you not relied upon that, I would have relied only on the documents and pass an order.
Not that, my lord. It is not that, my lord. We have relied upon it. The police called for the video footages, my lord.
No. Pen drive was over here in the writ petition, which I gave it to him.
One more, my lord, indulgence, my lord. Since, my lord, the leader of opposition, my lord, and, my lord, the other MLAs accompanying, my lord, they are all central government protectees, my lord. The, my lord, MHA can also, my lord, furnish a report, because there are status reports, my lord, that, my lord, the central reserve police forces, my lord, immediately they have.
Millard, this is Millard. Kindly do not entertain this submission, Millard. This is Millard. One thing, Millard, which is done in every case.
Yes. The union is a party.
They can also. The question is that why they are not necessary parties? Why have they been made parties?
It is a case.
No.
Necessary parties.
They cannot.
I have response to that also.
Because under section 173,
I will be addressing your lordship on that angle. There is something known as the yellow book. But in terms of the yellow book, my lord, the person of, my lord, the protector is protected by, my lord, the Central Reserve Police Force or the Central Industrial Police Force. And in terms of the yellow book, my lord, route lining, piloting, and, my lord, maintenance of law and order at the area of meeting, that has to be arranged by the state, my lord.
Millard, Mr. Bhattacharya will then, Millard, kindly.
There are undertakings given, my lord, in respect of the leader of opposition, my lord. There are undertakings.
I know, he's a big man. Everybody knows that.
There are undertakings given, my lord, by the state.
1 minute, what he wants to say. It's 6:05 now.
Kindly. One thing, Millard, apropos, Millard, what submission Mr. Bhattacharya has made, I welcome him with this submission. Let him produce, Millard, his route alignment for that day. Where he's talking about the yellow book and the blue book. Let him produce.
I will be relying on orders where the Advocate General had undertaken. I'll be relying on his undertaking only. Not the first case, my lord, that I am being opposed.
1 minute, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Kindly see the conduct of the IC. Kindly will not turn page for
no, merits I will not consider, sir.
This is important aspect.
That is, they will say that, sir. Conduct of the IC, why will the central government say?
Report. Yes, so they should ideally produce a report.
You tell me one thing. You have got videography.
This is a constant law and order problem, and your lordship is witnessing for the last 1 year, 2 years. Kindly have a look at 2 pages. Page 44, permission was given for a particular time. So page 50, on the same day, IC has given permission.
That I will hear. I will hear that they will respond to that. That already I have raised the issue. That will be responded by the appropriate party, sir.
But let them produce that incident report, because they are the persons who protect
the union, my lord, should also, my lord, file a report, my lord, before your lordship.
Sir, you have come up for registration of FIR.
What will the union do?
Also be a corroborative.
If I'm not satisfied by the state, then only I'll call the Union of India.
No, but this is something incidental.
Nothing has happened.
No. Well, this is a state subject. How can they implique the central government as a party?
State, if they have videography, let them say, a Union of India, if they have got a videography, let the AAM show that I am ready.
Union.
Probably
I can submit from
unnecessarily. I will not multiply, sir. ওই একই সব কালার কি হয়েছে চিনার পার্কে দেখেছো তো?
No, I do not read newspapers, or I do not watch news channels, so I have no idea.
Go see. We have got to keep our eyes and ears open.
You should say that you don't find time to look into newspapers.
আচ্ছা এই কি হলো? When next week, সেই আর্জেন্সিটা চলে গেছে primarily.
But kindly take it up on Wednesday. Wednesday, my lord.
You nothing except videography. Since usually I don't allow CCTV footages and all that, because I believe that document based records are the best thing. Now, once that is in the form of an affidavit and that has been produced, that is why I am keeping time. Otherwise, on documents, I would have preferred to do the matter. Usually, I like to do the matter in that manner. And এখনো পর্যন্ত একটাও থানার দিইনি।
CRPF has been director of CRPF has been responsible. You will also show details.
I will not ask you to submit a report. That I will allow you later on. You inform the court whether you are also an agency giving protection, whether you have a videography of the total A or any part where you. If you say yes, I will then ask you to do something. Otherwise, use multiplication.
Mr. Mukherjee will be looking into better
Please,
videos,
please.
Yes, because apart from videos, photographs were also submitted.
That's why I say whatever is there, something must be before the court to show that a cognition. Once you have relied, otherwise, Mr. Mukherjee use all the languages required for registration of the FIR.
The videos, my lord, were at the insistence of the investigating agency, my lord. That please supply us videos. Yes, that is what.
No, that may be there, but before the court, when you come,
yes,
you could have avoided that easily. So once you have relied upon that, then I have got to now, after opening the issues, you are keeping my pen drive, na?
But I can give it back, Malad, because
But now nobody is there for stitching actually.
I'll give it back on the next day. I'll keep it safe.
চলো তাহলে কি করা যায়?
Slow down করে ওই টেকনোলজিতে করিস আমরা টেকনোলজি
চলে আসুন একটা চুপ করে দিয়ে দিই।
But maybe have a copy of the report if
Not now, sir. You decide now. আমি চাইছি না এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে, because I'm giving back the report. এটা ক্লোজ এনভেলপে রেখে দিন। এবার এই দুপক্ষই এমন একটা মারপিট করছে, এ আবার পরের দিনে হয় কি করবে। আচ্ছা, রিপোর্ট সাবমিটেড বাই দ্য স্টেট বি কেপ্ট ইন আ ক্লোজ এনভেলপ, রেখে দিন। হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা, Mr. Oral submissions completed for the time being. Both
But
of
only to the extent of Milord distinguishing the last judgment.
you,
I will not.
You are not available 90% times, Mr. Datto. Very tough to get you. And all the other persons over here are saying I'm giving unnecessary liberty to you.
Absolutely correct, Milord. I also don't dispute that.
The other matters, my lord, fixed it, my lord, on Thursday at 3 p.m., my lord. My esteemed senior friend is selectively seen, my lord, physically, virtually.
No, but he is in Mongo Bhavan. This much I can understand. I've stayed in this room also, actually.
Yes, sir.
কি বলছি, not debatable, you understand? কি আচ্ছা, Mr. Chatterjee, learned advocate appearing for the petitioners.
Senior counsel, man.
Learned senior counsel appearing for এখনো পাঠিয়ে দিল না, মনে থাকে? For the petitioners. Please the communications made to the to the respective police authorities, and also drawn the attention of the court to the relevant part of the communications, which, according to him, reflect that cognizable offense has been made out, which do not deter the police authority is for proceeding in accordance with 8th law. আজ একটু ছোট করে দিই, পরে তো সব হ্যাঁ, there'll be a big order, তো এতগুলো ফাইট করছে। হ্যাঁ, জাজমেন্ট হবে তো, এটাই তো স্যার। আচ্ছা, learned advocate general rebutted the contentions and reiterates that the writ petition is not maintainable, and to the effect raises issues relating to the local of a learned advocate communicating, the email which was sent to the police authorities not being signed within 3 days. The alternative remedy available to the petitioners, and the substantive and the provisions of section 173 of the BNSS. Full stop. Mr. Tiwari, learned advocate, appears on behalf of the respondent number 3 and 4. 3 and 4. In case there are video or footage is in the possession of his clients, he would inform the court on the next date so fixed. Mr. yeah, petitioners would also petitioners have downloaded whole of the videos, whole of the program along with the root coverage in respect of which accusations have been made, but on specific points on which they intend to corroborate the FIR, corroborate the letter or a representation, data taken representation. They would submit the specific videos or still photographs available with them. Full stop. This is being insisted upon as in the writ petition already. Petitioners have includes a pen drive consisting of 24 videos as submitted.
No, the pen drive in the writ petition has 4 videos.
Which includes 4 videos. যা আছে আছে দেখাবে।
Subsequently, 24 more videos have been supplied to the police as well as Mr.
4 videos. 4 ভিডিওতে কিছু নেই বলে দিয়েছে আবার ওরা। কি করছে মুখার্জি? না, but then I was also not convinced, sir. Right? You saw them or you left it to Mr. Mukherjee? Not left it to Mr. Mukherjee. Not left it to Mr. Mukherjee only.
Mr. Mukherjee will be pleased.
No, my lord. I could also make out, my lord, for a fraction of a second, my lord, the car was hit with, my lord.
Nobody expects this sort of assault, my lord, while going to a
No, if there are sir, if there are incidents, obviously courts will not hesitate to pass any order. But if nothing is there, sir, how do you expect courts to pass
The
order,
other
sir?
part is the angle of conspiracy, which I'll be addressing on the next occasion.
আবার কি?
I'm keeping it up my sleeve, my lord. Mr.
এটা তাহলে after vacations হয়ে যাবে for FIR. আচ্ছা, list the writ petition when?
My lord, has fixed those matters on Thursday, my lord.
How much time Mr. Tiwari will require? Your করতে এক সপ্তাহে। Thursday you are coming. Thursday at the same time we are keeping it.
Very well.
Okay.
Thursday 3 p.m. my lord.
Averagely.
Oh.
My lord, second was subject to Mr. Dotto being available.
Mr. Dotto is not available. Yes.
Thursday, second half, I may not be there, my lord.
Thursday, my lord, I'll also, my lord.
তাহলে ফ্রাইডে করে দিচ্ছি আর কি। ফ্রাইডে
No. Kindly take it up.
No, Friday. No.
On the second, my lord.
ফ্রাইডে খালি জজরাই পড়ে থাকবে না, 6টা
I have a matter at the
6টা
circuit
17
bench on
বাজে
that.
thereafter
I know, my lord, learned advocate general leading me, my lord, but in case he gets stuck somewhere, I won't be coming on Friday, my lord.
ও Thursday, Friday do both days.
My lord, Thursday I'll come, my lord. Second, my lord, the second half means the third half when your lordship takes up these matters, then I won't be available.
All of you will be going abroad from 10th onwards.
No, not abroad, my lord. I'll be trying to assist Honorable Supreme Court on Friday, my lord. But your lordship takes the matters up to 6 o'clock. I'll miss all flights.
Second.
Even in the second half, I have no problem. But the third half, I have some problem.
তারপরের সপ্তাহে করবে। Kindly keep it for next week thereafter.
4:30 to 6:30.
তাহলে ওই 8
Without lunch.
তারিখে করে 8th Tuesday, it's a Tuesday. First day I'm not keeping, it's a Monday, 7th.
The second would have been very convenient, but
Second,
subject to the convenience of
convenience means I have 4 days in that week to work. Even if I cover now say 60 to 70 matters a day, the accumulation will be more than the disposal. This is the greatest.
On 7th,
Huh?
Monday would be possible. But 7th.
Monday from now onwards, it's very difficult because number of leave matters are increasing. You see, you have seen 3-4 matters for all leaving. And more we go towards,
We are grateful that your lordship sits and takes our matters.
more we go towards 26, na, these matters would be increasing. Huh? Tuesday, I'm just keeping them. Tuesday, 3:30, I'm keeping the matters.
Milord,
Yes.
Tuesday means first.
No, 8.
8th. Very well. Very well.
I'm sure the learned advocate general will be here, but not in Bongo Bhavan on the.
Acha, list the repetition under the
Milord,
heading.
8th. Milord, I'm so sorry, Milord. 8th, Milord, I'll be in court, Milord, but Milord, there's an administrative committee meeting, Milord. See, honorable judges, Milord, I cannot keep them waiting for
1
me.
p.m. 1 p.m.
Malad is keeping it at 3. So administrative meeting is usually Malad post.
After 4:30, but not after 6.
না 3টের সময় রাখছেন
3টে তাহলে ঠিক আছে 3 then it's all.
3:30 করে দিন, 3:30. For orders at 3:30 p.m. বিরাট ঝামেলা হয়ে যাচ্ছে এখন।
Malad, I overheard about the party aspect, Malad.
No, he haven't overheard anything.
Only one thing I can tell your lordship, Malad. While in school, Malad,
কালকে করে দেবেন।
while in school, Malad, he was not such a mind.
Well, the matter is over.
I never used to carry my ticket, Malad.
It's
With you.
Times change, sir.